Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I would like to talk about how to get over from heartbroken. Getting over heartbreak is one of life's toughest challenges, but it's also an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. Heartbreak is one of the most painful experiences we go through. But remember, every storm runs out of rain, and so will yours. Step number 1, acknowledge your pain. You don't have to pretend everything's okay. It's okay to cry, to feel, and to grieve. Healing begins when we face the pain rather than hide from it. Let yourself process these emotions. It's not a sign of weakness, it's a step towards strength. Step number 2, focus on self care. This is your time to prioritize you. Exercise, eat healthy, and rest. Start that project you have been putting off, or take that trip you have always dreamed of. Reconnect with who you are outside of the relationship. Step number 3, surround yourself with supportive people. You are not alone. Friends, family, or even a supportive group can help remind you of the love that still exists in your life. Don't hesitate to reach out. It's a sign of courage, not weakness. Step number 4, rediscover your passions. What did you love doing before relationship? Music, painting, or exploring? Dive back into your passions and let them ignite a new sense of purpose in you. Step number 5, believe in new beginnings. Heartbreak isn't the end of your story, it's the beginning of a new chapter. The pain you feel today is shaping you into a stronger, wiser. So, if this video helped you to grow, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.